Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Checking God. So today we will show you how to use our checking files. So if, if you are using 3.9 version file, then install Pydoid 3 old version. I will show you how to install. So go into search bar and type Gozo setup. This one related to checking and install the first one. 364 ARM 64 APK. Install this one. And now if you are using 3.11 version 5, it's for the new Pydroid 3. So install the Pydroid 3 from the Play Store. Okay, now I'm using the latest Pydroid. So I will go with the 3.11 version. Now click on the file and write. Here you will see file is running now. First, it will ask for your ID. So go into Jacking God chat group, type /ID. You will get your ID. Here you will see, just copy that. Now paste here. Now you need token. Make sure you joined our channel. Now go into search bar and type Godfather. /new bot. Now name your bot anything you like. And in next step, your bot name, and in the last type underscore bot or whatever you want. But bot is necessary in the last. And now you will get your bot token. Here you can see the highlighted one. So this is your token, and start the bot. And hold on a screen and you will get the paste option, or if you have another keyboard it will show that. Now paste it. Now your file is running. So that's the tutorial for using our files. Keep supporting and send hits in our comment. So that's for today. Wait for next tutorials.